Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on day number 21 for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. And this is a different sketch. I was kind of not knowing what to do and how to proceed, but gosh, I really love the layouts now that they're done. I did this at a retreat, so I don't have a lot of footage, but I thought I'd share it anyways. The papers that I ended up lining up, I had a bunch of strips of paper to choose from doing this wedding photo layout album. And I cut them to 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. And that actually reminds me of like putting the photos on pillars of paper. So that's what it reminded me of. So that's how I'm going to describe it. And it really comes out nice. It's a very easy layout once you get going on it. So there I have my photos laid out, and I really like how they look. I'm going to distress the edges of my paper just to make them stand out a little bit more from that white background. And to make it not so stark white, I do end up adding splatters of the Dina Wakley acrylic gloss paint in white, and then I pulled out red and pink from my stash. And you can see here a little bit closer up the distinguishing feature using that ink on the edges of your paper brings to it. It really helps to define it. And when I glue these down, I use a liquid glue, and then I just fold the paper in half there and spread it so that it doesn't have globs of glue, under the edges where I ran the glue. Just distributes the ink very nicely, makes it stick down. So yeah, now we're almost done. So you're going to see close-ups of the layout, and it's really pretty, so I'm very happy with it. But check out in the video description below everybody else who's following along with this sketch and this series. It's full of great inspiration. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.